In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your Fortnite servers here in Chapter 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But getting into this, you can do this on literally any device, whether it's PC, console, or even mobile. But first, go to the top right corner of your screen from the main menu and click on your profile icon and then go down and select these little settings here to open up your settings. From here, go over to the game tab. That's going to be that fourth option up at the very top. And from within here, up at the very top, you're going to see a language and region section. This is where your server is going to be set. Now, right now, I am on NA Central. But let's say, you're playing with someone in Europe. You'd essentially just want to switch your server to Europe just like so. Now, this little thing next to it is going to tell you how much ping you're going to get. Obviously, you're going to want to go to wherever you have the least amount of ping. So just keep that in mind. Now, you can't set it to auto, but you can go ahead and adjust accordingly to show you exactly how much ping you're going to get. For example, if I'm on auto, it's going to try and put me at 36 milliseconds of ping, but on NA Central, I get around 10 because I'm located out of Texas, so this would make more sense. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. That is how you can go ahead and change your server here in Fortnite Chapter 7. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel, let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.